cruise lines just silently banned 12 everyday items you probably packed right now. And number 7 will shock you. You're excited for your cruise vacation. Bags packed, checklist done, and ready to sail. Then security stops you, and items from your suitcase are confiscated. Today, I'm breaking down the 12 everyday items cruise lines banned in 2025. Some so recent, most travelers have no idea they're on the list. You'll learn exactly what's banned, why it matters, and what you can bring instead so you don't lose hundreds of dollars at the terminal. Stick around because item 12 is causing absolute chaos on ships right now. Before we continue, hit subscribe for more cruise-saving tips. Let's get into it. Number 1. Multi-plug outlets and power strips. Royal Caribbean changed everything in September 2024 by banning all multi-plug outlets. Not just surge protectors, everything. Cruise cabins usually have 1 or 2 outlets, yet you're traveling with phones, tablets, cameras, e-readers, and smartwatches that all need power. Thousands of cruise-approved power strips are still sold online, and every one of them is banned. Many passengers buy one just for their trip, only to watch security confiscate it at embarkation. The workaround is simple. USB-only charging hubs are still allowed because they don't overload the ship's electrical system. Choose one with 4 to 6 USB ports, and you're covered. Portable battery packs are also lifesavers. Charge them overnight and use them during the day. This ban exists to stop electrical fires that spread frighteningly fast. Number 2. Bluetooth speakers. Carnival is the only major cruise line that bans these, and the reason starts with safety. During emergencies, Bluetooth speakers can drown out critical announcements, but complaints were the real tipping point. Imagine relaxing on the adults-only Serenity deck when someone cranks music at full volume. Crew tells them to stop. The next day, same spot, same speaker. One viral incident even showed a passenger tossing someone else's speaker overboard. Carnival's answer was simple: ban them entirely. You can still use headphones or earbuds anywhere on board, but portable speakers must stay in your cabin or they're confiscated. One warning: use one in public spaces and crew will take it until the cruise ends. It keeps you from becoming that passenger. 3. Travel routers and Starlink Mini. This went viral in September 2024 when YouTuber Richard Shillington brought his Starlink Mini on a Carnival cruise. He paid $599 for the device plus $250 monthly. His internet speed? 140 to 150 megabits per second. Carnival's premium Wi-Fi? 3.5 megabits per second. He posted a comparison video, and within days, Carnival's CIO personally ordered confiscation. Royal Caribbean added Starlink to their banned list in December 2024. The official reason is cybersecurity threat, but cruise lines charge $15 to $30 per day for Wi-Fi and don't want you bringing faster, cheaper internet. If you need reliable internet for work, book a suite. Higher-tier cabins include better Wi-Fi packages. Otherwise, accept slow cruise internet or go offline. Pro tip: download everything you need before boarding. This ban protects cruise line revenue, not you. Number 4. Baby monitors. Royal Caribbean banned these in 2024 after briefly allowing them, and parents were furious. Many used baby monitors so they could sit on the balcony while kids slept inside. The cruise line says monitors interfere with ship communication systems, using the same radio frequencies as safety and emergency broadcast. Modern ships already juggle thousands of devices, and monitors can create interference that impacts navigation or emergency response. Some believe liability also plays a role. If something goes wrong while you're outside watching a screen, the cruise line wants no responsibility. The alternatives are limited. Stay in the cabin, book connecting rooms, or use onboard childcare for evenings. Cabin walls are thin and hallway noise often carries. This ban puts safety first. Number 5. Clothes, steamers, and irons. This is the single most confiscated item at cruise terminals. By embarkation's end, security tables are stacked with irons and steamers people bought just for this trip, only to lose them minutes later. The reason is simple: fire risk. Heating elements are dangerous on ships, where fires spread fast inside enclosed metal spaces. One forgotten iron on a bed can become catastrophic in minutes. Even cruise-approved travel irons sold online aren't approved at all, something Carnival's brand ambassador confirmed publicly. The fix is easy. Pack wrinkle-release spray or hang clothes in the bathroom during a hot shower. Carnival offers launderettes with irons, Virgin Voyages lends steamers, and rolling clothes reduces wrinkles and replacement costs for travelers boarding their first cruise ships. Number 6. Coffee makers and electric kettles. Passionate cruisers are devastated by this. Reddit threads overflow with complaints calling cruise coffee overheated swill and nearly unbearable. Many want to bring their own coffee makers, but those are banned, along with electric kettles, hot plates, toasters, Instapots, and microwaves. The reason is simple: heating elements pose serious fire risks under international maritime law. The workaround is old school. French presses are allowed because they use no electricity. Bring quality instant coffee or cold brew concentrate packets instead. Ships offer 24/7 hot water stations in the buffet. Pro tip: book a junior suite or hire on Royal Caribbean for an in-room coffee maker. European Royal Caribbean ships include kettles in cabins, and suite guests get better coffee delivered to their rooms. Number 7. Cannabis and CBD products. Zero tolerance. Even with a medical marijuana card, even if CBD oil is legal in your state, even boarding where recreational marijuana is legal, it's all banned. Federal regulations apply on cruise ships. Miami terminals now use drug-sniffing dogs at embarkation. If caught with any cannabis products, you face a lifetime ban and possible arrest. Here's what most don't know: even using cannabis in port cities where it's legal can get you in trouble. Ships can deny boarding if you appear intoxicated or smell like marijuana. Your only option: leave it home completely. No exceptions, no medical exemptions, no gray areas. One couple posted a Facebook video smuggling a gun as a joke. They received a lifetime ban from Carnival. Quick warning: don't try those smuggling tricks on social media. Security scanners catch everything. This ban can end your cruise before it starts. Before we jump ahead, hit subscribe so you don't miss the final tip at the end. Number 8. Alcohol, beer, and liquor. You can bring only 1 or 2 bottles of wine on embarkation day, period. No beer, no liquor, no exceptions. Any alcohol bought in port is confiscated and returned on the final day. Cruise lines use advanced X-ray scanners that instantly flag liquid bottles. Social media is packed with failed sneaking attempts using mouthwash bottles, shampoo containers, or hidden flasks. None work. The rule isn't about safety, it's about money. Cruise lines earn huge revenue from bars and drink packages. The smart move is simple: run the numbers before you sail. If you average 5 or 6 drinks daily, an unlimited package pays off. Drink less, skip it, and pay per drink. Wine is allowed only on day 1. Bring 2. Number 9. Upside-down pineapples. This is the most unusual ban on the list. Upside-down pineapples became a symbol used by the swinger community to signal interest in meeting other couples. Carnival confirmed through brand ambassador John Heald that crew now remove any upside-down pineapple decorations from cabin doors. What began as a niche signal spiraled into chaos when passengers started placing them on random doors as pranks. The result was drunk knocking at 2 a.m., inappropriate comments near families, and unwanted propositions. Reddit users claimed some sailings had large swinger communities, creating discomfort on board. Carnival's response was simple: ban the symbol entirely to protect its family-friendly image. The takeaway is clear: avoid pineapple decorations in any direction. Use generic door signs instead to avoid confusion. Number 10. Hoverboards and e-skateboards. Since 2015, hoverboards have caused more than 250 fire incidents in the United States. 2 children died in a Pennsylvania house fire sparked by one. These devices have caused over $4 million in property damage. In December 2023, 25,000 Hover One Helix units were recalled. In March 2024, Evercross EV5 hoverboards were banned after a New York City building fire. The issue is lithium-ion batteries that can overheat, explode, or ignite, especially in a ship's enclosed, humid environment. Cruise ships lack controlled charging stations, so hoverboards are banned entirely. You can't use them on board or even pack them. The alternative is simple: walk or use ship transportation. Elevators reach every deck. This ban prevents catastrophic fires for everyone on board today. Number 11. Door decorations. Norwegian Cruise Line is the only major line that bans all door decorations, paper and magnetic alike. Other cruise lines still allow magnetic decor with limits, but Norwegian says no across the board. Their reason is safety. Paper decorations are obvious fire fuel, and magnetic ones can fall off and become tripping hazards in narrow hallways during emergencies. The decision sparked backlash because decorating cabin doors is a beloved cruise tradition. Passengers once brought Christmas trees, inflatables, and elaborate light displays. On Norwegian, all of it is banned. If you sail Norwegian, your door stays blank. On Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Disney, and most others, magnets are still allowed with restrictions. Pro tip: if decorating matters to you, choose another line. Number 12. Inflatable pool toys. No unicorn floats, no beach balls, no rafts, no inflatable loungers. Cruise ship pools are small and crowded, leaving no room for inflatable toys. Most pools are only 4 to 6 feet deep and about the size of a hotel pool, yet they serve thousands of passengers. Cruise lines also ban kayaks, canoes, surfboards, and anything that can be launched off a cruise ship, straight from banned lists. Ships provide life jackets for kids when needed. The real reason is safety and space. Inflatable toys block swimmers, create hazards during peak pool times, and can blow away on windy, open decks. The alternative is simple: enjoy the pool without toys, or bring small items like diving rings that sink and don't crowd the surface. Ships offer plenty more activities beyond the pool. That's 12 items. But here's one final secret most cruisers never learn: the naughty room is real. That's what cruise regulars call the storage area, where confiscated items end up. By the final day, tables are stacked with hundreds of power strips, steamers, and irons waiting for pickup. Here's the part most people miss: if something is taken, you're not guaranteed to get it back. Take photos before packing and keep receipts. Better yet, check your cruise line's website before you sail. Rules vary by line and change without notice. Cruise lines aren't trying to ruin vacations. They're enforcing international maritime safety rules built from real incidents. Knowing rules is your responsibility. If this saved you from losing items at embarkation, like, subscribe, and comment which band surprised you most. Thanks for watching.